When you write, you're not just putting words on the paper. You're not just practicing handwriting. You're not just doing assignments. You're having a voice in the world. You can make a difference in the world.
This is not something that makes us tired or lazy or bored. This is something we do that makes us get excited and feel alive and feel inspired.
It's coming back! Run for cover! Tell Charlie's dad.
You have to play your brave cards. You don't come to your school, to feel shy. You don't come to school to be lazy. You come to be brave and have magical things happen.
How smart are you guys? The chat of the size of the phone. You can write smart things and not know how to spell the words. If you write more, your handwriting gets better. Boys and girls, don't live a life without claiming the superpower of author's voice.
Boys and girls all together. With your ideas and the words you choose, you can make people think things and feel things and understand things. It's a wonderful power to have.